question is from Inner Awakening ID number 255, Ramesh, who's asking, Dear Swamiji, how and when can we introduce the four tattvas to our kids between the age group of 2 years and 7 years?
Ramesh, 255. Yes, please be seated. He's asking how and when can we introduce the four tattvas to our kids between age group of 2 and 7. Understand, the kids should be introduced four tattvas before they start their root pattern. Before the accident of powerlessness is experienced by them, they should know about four tattvas so that they never get into the root pattern at all. Ramakrishna says beautifully, there is a bird called Paramahamsa. It flies high above the sky. All the birds, if they have the habit of flying 100 feet, this Paramahamsa flies around 8,000 or 9,000 feet high. You may think, how can a bird fly that high? Whether you call it as mythical or whatever, but there is a faith about this Paramahamsa. And one more thing, all birds create nests to protect them from the rain. Paramahamsas fly above the cloud and save them from the rain, themselves from the rain. So, these Paramahamsas, they will lay the egg from above in the sky. The egg, halfway it will hatch, and 3/4 way the chicken will have the wings, the bird will have wings, and before even it hits the ground, it will just start flying back towards its mother. Same way, all our kids are Paramahamsas. Only when the root pattern starts, they hit the ground. If you teach them four tattvas, before even they hit the ground, they will fly back to the original Paramahamsa. Help the kids by teaching four tattvas to them before even the root pattern starts in them. If you can't teach, bring them to engineers and Gurukul, I'll teach. I'll take the responsibility. If you have done the program, if you are initiated into tattvas, you can start teaching to the kids in a very simple way these four principles. I am also coming up with more and more books and visual material for teaching the kids about the four tattvas. Soon I will have the play cards, coloring books, the different methodology to teach four tattvas to Gurukul kids.